Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can attach a file to a mail you are sending to someone on Gmail. So in this video I'll be using Gmail because Gmail is the most used email system right now in the world. So I'm using Gmail. So just like you can see on your screen, you can see this is a mail I'm sending to someone here, and I've attached a video. This is a video and this is a picture and this is an audio. So let's say you're applying for a job or something and they're asking you to attach all these files to this mail. That's how you go about it. So you can see it here. You can see this is a picture, this is the video, and this is the audio. So now let me show you guys how to do this. Let's say you are entering your message you have for that person you are sending the mail to. You tap on this button here, which is attach files. You can see this same button if you are using a mobile phone there too. It's mostly on top. So you tap on the attach files here. So now you select every file you want to attach to this mail, wait for them to load, and then you send them, or you schedule a send. Let me show you guys. Good. So I have 3 files selected here. Now let me show you guys. You open it. So they are saying large files, blah blah blah. Okay, you got it. Let me just choose okay. So that's it. So they are all loading, something like that. So it's going to take a lot of time to load. I'm just going to waste time in this video. So that's it on how you attach files on your Gmail. Let me cancel that. So you can see it's been added here. So that's it on how you can add files on your Gmail. This is how you delete them as well. So you can remove them. So if you upload it and it's not the right one, this is how you also remove it from the mail, so you don't cause any problem. If you want to attach new files, you just tap on the attach button again, and then you just select the files and then you send them. So that's it on how you attach files on a mail you want to send to somebody. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. So that's it for the video. Peace.